Helo, shwmai, a chroeso nôl I ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, shwmai, and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. Now, for many, this week is Results Week, and I'm sure you might be feeling like you're on a bit of an emotional roller coaster. Well, I am here to help you channel that energy into something useful. This Welsh Wednesday, we are going to learn together how to express our feelings, all in Welsh. Ready? Here we go. Hapus, happy. Trist, sad. Nervous, nervous. Cyffrous, excited. Crack, angry. Ofnus, scared. Siomedig, disappointed. Wedi cael llond bol, had enough. Fun fact, this actually literally translates to had a full belly, as in fed up in English. Wedi synnu, shocked. Mewn cariad, in love. Here are those emotions one more time. Dyma nhw unwaith eto. Well, we hope you're hapus with your results this week, but remember, whatever happens, one day does not define the rest of your life. That's it for another week of Welsh Wednesdays. Dyna ni am wythnos arall o ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Join us next week for another episode. Gwelch chi cyn bo hir. See you very soon.